Hello friends, in this video I will cover all the MCQs from building technology and materials which are very important for exams. So let's start. First, which work is specially done in case of a stone masonry or brick masonry work? Which work is specially done in case of a masonry work is the question. Here stone masonry or brick masonry. The options are pointing, plastering, painting, none. Painting and plastering is done for every ordinary work, but for the masonry work, pointing is the special work. So answer is pointing. Now the part of the structure laying above the ground and below the ground floor level is called as options: substructure, superstructure, plinth, none. Answer is but obvious, plinth. What is the National Building Code of India? Options are SP 7 1970, SP 8 1980, SP 9 1990 and fourth is none. The answer is SP 7 1970. The height of a plinth should be in between 0.6 meter to 0.8 meter, 0.10 meter to 0.12 meter, 0.12 meter to 0.14 meter, none. The answer is 0.6 meter to 0.8 meter. Again simple question. Column takes compressive load, tensile load, none or both. The answer is compressive load. The minimum area of a window or windows shall be dash dash of the floor area of the room. 2/10, 3/10, 1/10 or none. Answer is 1/10. Shallow foundation is practicable for a depth of 5 to 7 meter, 3.5 to 4 meter, more than 5 meter, none. Accurate answer is 3.5 to 4 meter. For timber pile, a trunk of a tree about dash dash centimeter diameter is used as a pile. 5 centimeter diameter, 10 centimeter, 30 centimeter, none. The answer is 30 centimeter diameter timber pile used for construction. Those all MCQs are about introduction to building construction. Now we turn towards second chapter, stone masonry. The exterior of a wall exposed to weather is called as options: face, back, facing, hurting. Answer is face. The exterior of a wall exposed to weather is called as a face. Now the inner surface of a wall which is not exposed to weather is called as face, back, facing, hurting. Answer is back. Simple question. The material used in the face of a wall is known as, answer is facing. Now the interior portion of a wall between the facing and backing is known as face, back, facing, hurting. Answer is hurting. The material used in face of a wall is known as facing, whereas the material used in the back of the wall is backing, and the interior portion of a wall between facing and backing is known as hurting. Now the stones which are increasing the bonding capacity in between facing and backing is known as options: through stone, stone header, both, none. Answer is through stone. The stones which are increasing the bonding capacity in between facing and backing is known as a through stone. The block of a stone used at the corner of two walls meeting at 90 degree is called as course, header, queen header, plinth course. The answer is queen header. A projecting stone which is usually provided to serve as a support for roof tiles, beams, weather shade, etc. is known as corbel, cornice, frieze, blocking course. Answer is corbel. A course of a stone provided immediately below the cornice is called as corbel, cornice, frieze, blocking course. The answer is frieze. But what is cornice? A cornice is a course of a stone provided at the top of a wall. It is generally molded and given ornamental treatment. It is weathered and throated to dispose of rainwater. Now, a course of a stone masonry provided immediately above the cornice to check the tendency of a cornice to overturn is called as, answer is blocking course. A special coarse protective covering which is placed on the exposed top of a wall to exclude water from walling below is called as coping, weathering, throating, none. Answer is coping. The horizontal course provided to strengthen a wall of irregular small stones is known as lacing course. Now, brick masonry. Which types of bricks are used in acid plants? Steel furnaces, cement kiln, first class brick, third class brick, Zama bricks, fire bricks. Obviously, fire bricks. The commonly adopted size of a conventional brick is 19 into 9 into 9, 23 into 11.4 into 7.5 centimeter. All are in centimeter. 20 into 10 into 10 centimeter. None. The conventional brick is 23 into 11.4 into 7.5 centimeter. The nominal size of a modular brick or standard brick is 19 into 9 into 9 centimeter, 23 into 11.4 into 7.5 centimeter, 20 into 10 into 10. The answer is actual size 19 into 9 into 9. C. Conventional brick is 23 into 11.4 into 7.5 centimeter, whereas nominal size 20 into 10 into 10 centimeter. Actual size 19 into 9 into 9 centimeter. Which is the large quantity constituents used for good brick? Alumina, silica, lime, magnesia. Answer is silica. When the bricks soaked in water, the strength of a brick reduced by about 25%, 50%, 75%, none. 25%. The bricks which are commonly used should have a minimum compressive strength or a crushing strength of -- Newton per mm square. Answer is 3.5 Newton per mm square. When the burnt clay bricks are soaked in water, it should not absorb water more than 10%, 20%, 30%, 40% of its dry weight. Answer is 20%. Which type of a closure is obtained by cutting a brick lengthwise into two pieces? King closure, queen closure, mitred closure, beveled closure. Answer is queen closure. When a triangular portion of a brick is cut through its width and making an angle of 45 degree to 60 degree with the length of the brick, then remaining portion after cutting is called as king closure, queen closure, mitred closure, beveled closure. Answer is mitred closure. Now, block masonry. Hollow units may be defined as those units which have core void area greater than 25%, 50%, 10%, 75% of their total area. Answer is 25%. Hollow concrete blocks after molding and placing immersed in water tank for curing at least for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, none. Answer is 1 week. Compressive strength of a block should not be less than 3 Newton per mm square, 6 Newton per mm square, 8 Newton per mm square, none. Answer is 3 Newton per mm square. Typical size or common size of the solid concrete block is 300 into 200 into 150 mm is the answer. When question is standard size or common size of a hollow concrete block, C. Solid concrete block 300 into 200 into 150 mm. Whereas hollow concrete block 390 into 190 into 300 mm. Now, the gap or cavity between two separate walls or leaves should not be less than 50 mm, should not be more than 75 mm, both, none. Answer is both. The gap or cavity between two separate walls or leaves should not be less than 50 mm, should not be more than 75 mm. Which is an excellent decorative plaster used on both interior and exterior walls? The answer is stucco plaster. Which type of a plaster is applied as a final coat to the walls of X-ray rooms? The answer is barium plaster. Now, formwork. Which joints are temporary joints left between two concreting operations? Construction joint, expansion joints, contraction joints, isolation joints. Construction joints is the answer. Which joints are provided to avoid the cracks due to plastic shrinkage and drying shrinkage? The answer is dummy joints. But dummy joint is the name of contraction joints and it is also called as a control joints. Hence, these three are same joints: contraction, control and dummy. Hence, answer is all of the above. Now, roofing materials. King post truss are those truss having only one vertical post suitable for 8 to 12 meter spans. Both are right, none. Answer is only one vertical post, because suitable for 8 to 12 meter spans is Property of a queen post truss. King post truss is suitable up to 8 meter and having only one vertical post. Now, queen post truss are those truss having suitable up to 8 meter span? No, this is a property of a king post truss. 2 vertical post. Hence, answer is 2 vertical post in queen post truss, and in king post truss only 1 vertical truss. Now, trusses made by combination of a king post and queen post are suitable up to 8 meter span. This is a property of a king post, queen post, and the answer is suitable up to 18 meter span. Flat roofs are roofs having answer angle to the horizontal less than 10 degree. But slope of 1 in 24 to 1 in 6. This answer is also right. Hence, flat roofs are roofs having angle to the horizontal less than 10 degree and slope of 1 in 24 to 1 in 6. Now, protective coating. Dash dash are oxygen carried catalyst, fillers, dryers, thinners, vehicle. Answer is dryers. Dash dash are volatile liquids which evaporates easily after application of a paint. Fillers, dryers, thinners, vehicle. These are thinners. Distempers are also called as metal paint, cement paint, water paint, none. Distempers are water paint. When opaque paint and transparent varnishes added to the get combined advantages of paint and varnishes, the product obtained from it is called as Japans. Vertical circulation. The horizontal distance between two successive riser faces are known as going. The step having curved riser and tread is known as commode step. Now, safety in construction. The process of providing new foundation below the existing foundation is called as underpinning. Dash dash is a temporary structure to support temporarily an unsafe structure. Shoring. Now, which line is termed as pure line? Answer is fat line. Fat line is also called as pure line, rich line, or white line, or high calcium line. Transverse strength of a line can be calculated with following formula. Answer is E is equal to 3SP upon 2BD square. Cementation value of a line can be calculated by the formula 28A plus 1.1B plus 0.7C upon D plus 1.4E. Which polymers are softened on heating and harder when cooling? Thermoplastic. Plastic which is formed by polymerization by addition is thermoplastic. Polymer which consists of random arrangement of molecules called as amorphous. Thermosetting polymers are always amorphous polymer. The process of reduction of moisture within prescribed and permissible limit is called as dash dash of a timber, seasoning of a timber. If video is helpful for you and you want second video for this subject in the form of MCQs, then please like, share and subscribe our channel.